Hello, students. Let us move on to our next drama class, The Tempest, Act 1, Scene 1. In our previous meet, we have seen that the drama starts with a heavy storm and the passengers on the ship are worried, especially the commander and the boatswain. They are trying their best to control the ship against the tempest. Boatswain doesn't want any type of interruption in his work. He gets irritated when among the royal passengers Gonzalo says him to be patient with the dignitaries. Boatswain says he will be quiet when the sea is calm. If you cannot control the storm, then let me do my work. And now we start from 28th line by Gonzalo's speech. Gonzalo, earlier while talking to Boatswain, he reads his forehead. When he exits, he says to Alonso and Antonio that I have great comfort from this fellow. Methinks he hath no drowning mark upon him. His complexion is perfect gallows. So Gonzalo says that I have great comfort from this fellow. The presence of this man gives great relief. Methinks, I think, he hath no drowning mark upon him, that his death is written by hanging, not by drowning. He hath no drowning mark upon him. His complexion is perfect gallows. Means his complexion, his general appearance shows that he is to be hanged. That's why his presence gives me relief that because of him we can be saved. Stand fast, good faith, to his hanging. Make the rope of his destiny our cable. So he says, oh destiny, be stand in the favor of us. Good fate, the mode of his death means do not change the mode of his death, because as according to the destiny he is going to be hanged. He will die because of hanging. And his death by hanging, make the rope of his destiny our cable, means his death by hanging will save our life. Our cable means our life. For our own doth little advantage, because our destiny, I think, will help us little. If he be not born to be hanged, our case is miserable. Means if he is not born to be hanged, if he is not going to die by hanging, that it means our case is miserable, we are going to decay, we are going to perish. And because of this only there is a proverbial saying also, that he that is born to be hanged will never be drowned. This is a proverbial saying. Now re-enter Boatswain. Boatswain enters. Down with the topmast, tiare, lower, lower, bring her to try with main course. He is instructing the sailors how to control the ship. So down with the topmast, keep down with the top of the mast. Without delay, yare, lower, lower. He is instructing how to, in which direction the sail should be. Bring her to try with main course. Means bring it along with the course of the wind. Means bring the position of the sail with the course of the wind. Then there is a cry. Again there is a howling on the deck. So he again gets in anger. He says, a curse upon this howling. A plague upon this howling. A curse upon this howling. They are louder than the weather or our office. Means this howling is louder than the weather. This is storm or our office or our work at this time. So he gets angry. Then re-enter Sebastian, Antonio and Gonzalo. They again come and he says, yet again, what do you here? Shall we give over and drown? Have you a mind to sink? So he says that yet again you are again here. Why are you here? Shall we give over and drown? Means Shall we give up everything, all our efforts, and ready to be drowned? Why have you come here? Have you a mind to sink? Have you made up your mind to sink the ship? Sebastian. Sebastian? Who is Sebastian? Sebastian is the brother of Alonso. So he says, a plague on your throat, you bawling, blasphemous, incharitable dog. So he abuses him. He says that may disease confound your voice, a plague on your throat. You bawling, you evil tongue. Blasphemous, you falsehood. Incharitable dog means uncharitable dog. He's abusing him in anger. Then boatswain, work you then. Okay, if you can, then work you. You better work then to control the ship. Then Antonio, hang you insolent noisemaker. We are less afraid to be drowned than thou art. So Antonio says again, Antonio also in anger says to boatswain, hang, this dog should be hanged. You rude noisemaker. We are less afraid to be drowned. We are not afraid because of that we are going to be drowned, but we are afraid because of your bad behavior. Then Gonzalo, I will warrant him for drowning, though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell. So Gonzalo says, I still give the guarantee that he will not drown. He will die by hanging. Though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell, even the ship is no stronger than a nutshell, then also I am very much sure that he is not going to be drowned. Then boatswain, lay her a hold, set her 2 courses, off to sea again, lay her off. And he is again instructing the mariners to keep the ship close to the wind. Lay her a hold. Keep the ship close to the wind, set her 2 courses, set for sail and mainsail. Off to sea again, push off to sea again, lay her off. So he is instructing the mariners. Then re-enter mariners wet. Then many of the sailors, they come and they are totally wet. And mariners have, they are totally very sad. That all lost to prayers, all lost. Means all our efforts are wasted. There is no hope of survival. They are very hopeless. So today till here children. Thank you.